history is filled with strange foods. I mean, we'll basically eat anything we can. Even other animals' saliva. Wait, what? Sounds appetizing, doesn't it?
That's great.
It's called bird's nest soup. And if you're from East Asia, this is a delicacy. How good for you could bird nest soup be? Why is it so expensive? And what does its existence have to do with a Chinese admiral, vim and vigor, cave climbing, and bird spit? Stay tuned as we slurp up all the lip-smacking details. Bird's nest soup is a delicacy deeply rooted in East Asian culture. You might think it uses noodles shaped like a bird's nest, but no. It uses the actual nest of a bird known as the Swiftlet. Legend has it that its popularity can be traced to a 15th century Chinese admiral. The story goes that the shipwrecked admiral sent his sailors to scavenge for food. When they came back with the nests, the admiral told them to clean and cook them. With no other options, they did as they were told. Aye, aye, Captain. The admiral noticed that a few days later, his sailors were full of vim and vigor. The soup is believed to intensify sexual prowess, impart a youthful appearance, and guarantee a healthy baby for expectant mothers. It is also said to increase mental focus and boost immunity to disease. What makes the Swiftlet's nest different from any other bird nest? It's composed entirely of saliva. The Swiftlet is a cave-dwelling bird that uses its saliva to build either white or red nests high up on cave walls. Each nest takes about 35 days to build. To collect the nests, harvesters carefully climb tall bamboo trellises, knowing that a slip could mean their death. They use a three-pronged instrument called a rada to pluck the nests off the cave wall. Using their bare hands is off-limits. This labor-intensive and delicate process brings with it a very high cost. The higher quality and rarer red nests, that's hard to say, can sell for as much as $10,000 per kilogram, while the more common white nests can cost as much as $2,000 a kilo. Despite this, around 200 tons of the nests are consumed every year, mostly in Hong Kong. But is there any scientific evidence of the supposed benefits of this soup? Well, funny you should ask. A study from Canada's University of Guelph found that the soup contains a protein very similar to one in eggs called ovotransferrin. This protein can help protect against microbes and act as a boost for the immune system.
We should go.
Researchers in Japan demonstrated that the soup contained antiviral properties and could inhibit infections from influenza. This study was later confirmed by researchers in Malaysia and California. The taste of the gelatinous soup has been described as similar to an egg white. Bland.
Why not try something new?
It's often prepared with rock sugar, giving it a slight sweetness. Oh, that sweet, sweet saliva. Despite its health benefits and traditional use, there are opponents of eating bird's nest soup. Removing nests could disrupt the bird's natural reproductive cycle. Critics also point out that some Swiftlet farmers don't wait for the chicks to vacate the nests before harvesting. Even though harvesting Swiftlet nests is dangerous and delicate work, these nests are far from the most expensive ingredient in the culinary world. To explore that, we'll have a taste of saffron on another episode of Origins of Food.